Hello students, how are you all? So students, as you know, we are doing whole numbers chapter. Okay, so in previous session we have done till 6th. Today we are going to start 7th sum. So let's read. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also write them with the appropriate sign, smaller or bigger, between them. Okay, so these two numbers are given in each sum. So you have to tell which number is on the left side of the other, and you have to use sign also of greater and bigger, means you have to compare both these numbers. Okay, so students, if you remember on number line, if you remember, the number line starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if you observe the number line, when we are moving towards the right, this is right side. Okay, when we are moving towards the right, we are getting bigger numbers. Okay, like first is 0, then is 1, okay, then 2, then 3. Now 1 is bigger than 0, next 2 is bigger than 1, 3 is bigger than 2. So from there you can see that smaller number is always on the left side and bigger number is always on the right side of the smaller number. Okay, so here he is asking to write the number which is on left. So it means on left side which number will be there? Smaller number. Okay, so out of these two, which number will be on left side? Which is smaller out of these two? Okay, so 503 is smaller between these two, so this will be on left side of 530. Similarly, 307 will be on left side of 370. Similarly here, okay, small numbers will be on left side. Clear to all? So next, which of the following statements are true and which are false? So first is 0 is the smallest natural number. So 0 is the smallest natural number. So students, first of all you should know what are natural numbers. So the numbers which are starting from 1. So it means 1 is the smallest natural number, not 0. So this statement is false. Okay, so which statements are false? That you have to tell the reason that why these statements are, or this statement is false. Like 0 is the smallest natural number, this is false. Now what is the reason? Because natural numbers start from 1. Okay, or you can write because 1 is the smallest natural number. Like this you have to write the reason for all which statements will be false. Okay, next statement is 400 is the predecessor of 339. So बच्चे, predecessor is the previous number but 400 is the next number. So this is false because 400 is the successor of 399, not predecessor. Okay, this is the reason. Next, 0 is the smallest whole number. True, because whole number starts from 0. Okay, this is true. No need to give any reason for this. Next, D. 600 is the successor of 599. So this is also true. Okay. Next, all natural numbers are whole numbers. False. True. All numbers are whole numbers because whole number starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. And natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are also whole numbers. Natural numbers are including in whole numbers. So it is true. Okay, so no need to give any reason. Next, all whole numbers are natural numbers. This is false. Why? Because all whole numbers means 0 will also be there, so which is not natural number. So what will be the reason for this? Because 0 is not a natural number. So all numbers are not natural numbers. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. So this is false. Next, predecessor of two-digit number is never a single-digit number. It is also false, because you can give example. For example, if we take 10, 10 is a two-digit number. Now what is the predecessor for 10 is 9. So 9 is a single-digit number. So this statement is also false. 1 is the smallest whole number. False, because 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. True. You will say, ma'am, 0 is the predecessor, but that is not natural number. They are asking natural number. So this is false. Sorry, the natural number 1 has no predecessor. It is true, because 1 is the smallest natural number. So this is true. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. This is false, because 1 has 0 predecessor, because here he is taking whole number. So it is false, because 1 has predecessor which is 0. The whole number 13 lies between 12 and 11 and 12. False, because 13 lies after 12, not in between. Next, the whole number 0 has no predecessor. True, because before 0 there is no whole number. Next, the successor of two-digit number is always a two-digit number. False. Why it is false? Because if we take 99, now what will be the successor of 99? It will be 100. So which is three-digit number. So it is false. So give example for this, that if we take 99, successor of 99 is 100, which is three-digit number. So it is not always two-digit number. One time it is three-digit also. So we cannot say it is always a two-digit number. Okay students, I hope it is clear to all. So with false statements you have to write the reason why they are false. Thank you students. Have a nice day.